Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the DM8 smartwatch. On our previous video, we have a demo for the connection or pairing it with our Android smartphone. On this video, we are going to pair it with our iPhone or iOS platform. So if you are interested to see whether the DM8 smartwatch works with iPhone or iOS platform, watch this video. And again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and connect our DM8 smartwatch with our iPhone. The smartwatch is using the HRYFine application based on the support app. So we have here the support app, and it is using the HRYFine application. I think the QR code is also available here in the smartwatch. Let's see. Let's make it sure that it is using the HRYFine application, and we have here the QR code. We can scan this, or we can just go directly in the App Store and search the name of the app, HRYFine app. So we have here the app. To download, tap on Get. It will automatically download and install the application on your iPhone. Again, the smartwatch that we have is the DM8. For Android smartphone, you can check our previous video. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the app. Okay, it's already installed. And now, let's open the application. So let's open the app. Okay, so allow this one for the use of our location. Allow once. Then, would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. Allow for the notification permission. I have read and agreed. Then you have an option here to register or log in using your Apple account, Google account, or your email. In our case, we'll log in directly. It's now logging in. And we have here our temporary password and account. Okay, record it. Then tap on confirm. Then agree. Confirm. Set your profile. You can change your gender here, your age or height or weight. After that, tap on confirm. Okay, so we have here the dashboard. So to connect our wearable, select on the Me section. So we have here search device. So select search device. It's now looking for our wearable, and as you can see, we have the DM8. To pair your smartwatch, select DM8. It's now connecting. Wait for the access. Tap on pair. Allow. And are we connected? Tap on device settings. Let's see. As you can see, we have the DM8 here. Okay, let's make it sure that we are properly connected, and seems like we are connected, as you can see here. So let's tap on message notification. Disable some of the apps that you are not using. Confirm. Go back. What else do we have here? 24-hour system. That's okay. Synchronize time. Set successfully. And that's it. Seems like we are properly connected with the HRYFine app on iPhone. And as you can see here, The DM8 is compatible with our iPhone or iOS platform. So for those who are asking whether the DM8 works with iPhone, yes, it is compatible. The HRYFine is available on the iOS platform or iPhone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe.